Hey guys, Adam Sam Radio. This is part two of that one microphone. I just had to redo the video. I made a mistake, and now I'm refreshing this video. So, anyhow, this is the D104 that you all know that I rebuilt, redid. This light of mine that I'm using right here, this lantern died, so I have it on a charger right now. But I got it plugged into the USB right now. It was good, my good light, for the hang over the bench or something like that. But anyhow, I do have my monitor on over here. I got the RF gain all the way down, so I don't want to blow nothing up. And there's no antenna on there. Okay, and I'm hooked up on here. Let's see. Oh, oh, I didn't even hook. Jeez. Okay. This is the new connector. I think, let's see. Wire or number one is white. Number two is, I think, shield. Three is red, and four is red, and four is shield, and I don't know. I don't. But anyways, I don't remember. I'm so tired. But it took me a while to get this freaking thing done. Okay, this thing drove me nuts. Pulling. Well, I don't have hair. I mean, right here. Uh. So I says, you know what? I'm not. I knew the code, but I just didn't get the right wire. I says, you know what? I'm not gonna guess anymore. So what I did is I had this other microphone right here. It's still a D104. It's got a different head on it. It's got the sideband head on it. So I tried that microphone, and I know this microphone is set up for that radio up there. I plugged this sucker in. It works. I says, oh, okay. So I took this connector off. Okay, then I put it onto this. Look at the code. But there you have it. So now we could actually plug it in and see if the damn thing works. I don't even know if it works, but I know it does key up when I tested it before I soldered everything up and I buttoned it up. I should have never done that. Because when you solder something and button things up, something's going to happen. Always something. But anyway, stand by one and we'll fire this thing up. Alright, let's see how we got going here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Testing, testing. Hello, radio. Don't mind the squeal because we're so close. It's gonna squeal, make that squealing noise. But I got the thing far away. Hello, hello, radio. Hello, hello. I wish this radio had AM, but it doesn't. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, radio. Yeah, it's working. Let's see. Turn. Wait a minute. Hang on a sec. I'm gonna turn the gains up and down and get it to sound right here. Hold on. All right. We got the mic on. I'll set it about where I gotta set it. I'm gonna grab the microphone and speak into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, radio. Audio. And 1 SCI testing. Hello, radio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It sounds pretty good. I don't, like I said, again, I got we're so close, it's gonna squeal. So, to me, it sounds good. All I gotta do is put a pair of headphones on, plug it in, and see how it really sounds. And I'll be back with you in a minute. But we got it working. This microphone works, and I actually took that resistor that was on the bottom, and made that mic sound like crap. So I took that all off, resoldered everything nice, put it all back together the way it's supposed to be. So now we're done. We're done with it. Now we have to do a little more testing on it. Stand by. Okay, we got it sounding okay here. We're gonna speak into the microphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello, radio. I want to see testing. Hello, radio. 1, 2. Hello, hello. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. So, I guess let me turn this down, see what's modulation I go. I can turn it up just a little bit, just a pinch. Whoops. Let's see what we got here for the 1, 2, 3. Hello, radio. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. November 1. Sierra Charlie Alpha. Yeah, it's still almost pushing about 90 watts. So it's driving that microphone pretty good. And, I mean, driving that radio pretty good with that microphone. So I know that mic's working. So, there it is. So, I guess we got it. This whole bench right here was covered with crap. I couldn't help it, but, you know, that's just how it goes when you play with electronics. And I just decided to clean the shack, clean this, clean that up all. Excuse me. I had to redo everything, clean the shack a little bit. It was quite of a mess, and kind of glad I didn't tape the whole thing when I was doing this microphone. This one right here, as you know. Cussing and swearing, and oh man, I was cussing like a sailor, like from last year's ride, and you know. But anyways, yeah, so it's sound like a sailor and puking on the side of the dang boat. You know, it kind of just sickened me. You know, and I remembered I had another one wired to it, so I took that and copied it to here. So I wired this one a long time ago. I don't know. I just got lucky with it. I remember the wiring on it, and then I got another one, and I forgot. But I did get it. I got it wrong by 2 wires or 3. I just kept going like this, mixing them up. So, but anyhow, so there's the dang microphone. It drove me absolutely crazy, nuts. So we got this thing working good, thank God. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, November 1, Sierra Charlie Alpha. Yeah, we're getting about 90 watts out, so not too shabby. So I guess, hang on a minute. We'll get some volume here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's about all I can do. I had to put a pair of headphones on and get it to sound the way I want it. You know, get it turned down a little bit here and there, do these little tweakage. But it's working. And man, let me tell you, if anybody tells you, oh, that mic would do, this mic was easy to wire up, or oh, that's no problem, no big deal. Yeah, my ass. It's just a pain. But anyways, this was part 2, and I ran out of card space, so I had to make a part 2. You know, I'm good for that, forgetting to erase some of my stuff on the card and put new content on it. So that's how it usually goes, folks. You know, that's how it is. But what hell? And then I just plugged my radio back in because we had some thunder and lightning going on out there. So I didn't feel like having my old school rig getting blown up, or it goes through my whole line. There's a box right there, the distribution box. It'll go out through the whole system and blow everything up. But anyways, we got it all hooked up, ready to go, and that's it. Yeah, that sucks. I wish I can get the audio to come out on it better, but because I'm so close, if you had headphones on, I can, you can actually hear it. There's a way, if there was a way or will to get this thing to get the audio out, but I would have to probably put a radio in the other room and talk into the radio, but I'm not going to go that far, but you get the point. We got it wired up. It's all nice and neat on there. Nice strain relief. It's done. Thank God. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. And that's that. But anyways, guys, thanks for hanging in there with me there. But there it is, D104 hooked up to the TS 520, and it'll go on the SC as well. So, all right, guys, 7-3.